strike a pose. Okay? Nominees for Miss Stars of the Night is, in no particular order, Miss Gina Marie Barles. Calm down, Gina. Also, we have a Jasmine Trias Bedringer. Jasmine Trias Barles Flores. Another nominee is Miss Monica Gutierrez. Anong size ng panyo niyan? Masyadong malaki. Joke lang, Miss Monica. Alright. Nakakatuwa naman yung mga more nominees natin, yung isa apelido Gutierrez. Ito naman, pangalan din ng beauty queen. Miss Universe 1993, Dayanara Bansil. Asa si Dayanara? Dayanara? Okay, so wearing a, is that blue-green? Alright, blue-green. Alright, who is your guest for the number 4 nominee? Another nominee is Aiko Bueno. Aiko, tingin natin si Aiko. Nasa si Aiko? Alright, so wearing the little black dress or the LBB. Two more to go. Another nominee is Sherilyn Laban. Parang election ulit pa. Very fiery red. Alright. And of course, who gets the last spot? Miss Jenny Bell Mercurio. Dahil sa Mercurio, nakakasigurado pa ang gamot ay laging bago. Alright, the girls will be judged according to the height of their high heels. So, turn around please. Ako lang tayo ng labanan. Sandali, pinag-iisipan ko ba paano kayo i-judge? Tayo muna kayo dyan. Yes, they will. Sandali lang, excited. Naghahanap lang ng background music. Kayo ba lalakad kayo ng walang music? Nakakahiya naman sa kanila, diba? Alright, so, tatawagin namin ulit ang mga pangalan ninyo and then you have to pass by the phone. Nakuha ba yun? Alright. Strike the best pose. Let's begin with Gina Marie Barles. Dali lang po May problema po kami sa back office. Okay. Ang front office po ay susumikap na mabigyan kayo ng magandang programa. Pero ang back office ay medyo nagkakatarantahan po. Alright. So again. Sige, pakipili. Nominee number 1 for Star of the Night, Miss Gina Marie Barles. Kung makakaway si Jennifer, parang farewell walk na. The last but not the least, in fiery red, Sherilyn Laban. Wearing a long gown, 56 meters long. Yung muro ng damit niya nasa naiwan pa sa school, sa kapag-buhay. Okay? Ang haba ng train ng damit niya. Right. So, thank you, ladies. Sorry, would you like to move forward, please? Sige, 10 steps forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. To serenade the beautiful ladies is Mr. Mark Claren Repin, a second-year SOE student. Okay, I would like to remind the judges, yung kung order ng pagkakatawag kanila, yun po yung number nila. So I hope nakita po ninyo sila kanina. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think nauna dapat si Jenny Bell. Jenny Bell is number 5, yung naka-plum. Okay, and then yung naka-red is number 6, Miss Sherilyn Laban. Actually, girls, kaya ko pinatayo dyan, titignan ko sino sa inyo ang hindi aangal na nakatakong. The last girl standing is the winner. So hanggang matapos tayo nandyan lang kayo, ha? Hello, P, are we set? Are we set? thank the efforts of the League of Presidents under the leadership of their president, Mr. Gistoni Gloria, and their advisor, Mr. John De La Torre, and of course the other officers. And we would like to thank Vitacy Hotel and Resorts for accommodating us tonight after 4 years of this show. Alright, sige. Again, here is Mr. Mark Larry Repi for the serenade.